Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. ARKK's AI advantage, Cathie Wood's confidence amid NVIDIA cuts, GameStop earnings looming, who's at risk, ZIM integrated dips as city downgrades to sell, Rivian unleashes next-gen all-electric R1S SUV and R1T truck, Kava Group stumbles on potential large share sell-off, anticipation builds for EU decision on Chinese EV tariffs. AI mini-bubbles predicted in Tech Evolution by Lara Hippo, and Taiwan Semi caught up in U.S. antitrust probe involving NVIDIA, Microsoft, OpenAI. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Cathie Wood, who is associated with ARK Invest, holds the opinion that her exchange-traded funds are well-positioned to take advantage of the surge in artificial intelligence. This is despite the fact that she lessened her holdings in NVIDIA when its shares were priced at $400. NVIDIA, a significant contributor to AI, currently has a trading value exceeding $1,200 per share. On another note, there's a variation in performance across ARK's 6 actively managed ETFs. The year-to-date changes fluctuate between negative 20.1% and positive 2.4%.
Next week, GameStop Corporation is scheduled to announce its earnings. Since the last report, the company's market cap has more than doubled. Retail investor Keith Gill, also known as Roaring Kitty, has allegedly seen substantial profits from his GameStop shares and options. The company is predicted to disclose a net loss for the quarter, and there are rumors regarding potential new investments after a policy shift in December of last year. Opinions on the stock's future are divided among analysts, with some cautioning against short selling due to its volatility.
Shares of ZIM Integrated Shipping experienced a drop of 15.4% following a downgrade by Citi from neutral to sell. The reasons behind this decision include the rally seen year-to-date and an increased exposure to fluctuating spot freight rates. Suthi Shivakumar, an analyst, pointed out that ZIM's contract volumes on Trans-Pacific trade fall short of industry standards. He further commented that the recent spike in spot freight rates may not be sustainable, which could potentially put future earnings under pressure.
Rivian Automotive has introduced its second-generation electric vehicles, the R1S SUV and R1T pickup. These new models come with numerous hardware enhancements and a completely revamped software experience. They boast increased power, performance, and range thanks to a Rivian-built drive unit. The vehicles also incorporate new battery packs designed for easier manufacturing and servicing, providing up to 420 miles of range. An autonomous system developed in-house powers these vehicles, utilizing cameras, radars, and AI technology. The starting price for the R1S is $75,900 while the R1T begins at $69,900.
Ardell International plans to offload 3 million shares of Kava Group. This Mediterranean fast casual restaurant chain is on the market following a conversion from preferred stock into common stock. The decision comes in the wake of J.P. Morgan's downgrade of its rating on Kava, citing an inflated valuation, even though they recognized its potential for nationwide growth. In response to this news, Kava's shares experienced a 5.5% drop in pre-market trading.
The chief executive officer of Mercedes-Benz, Ola Kalinius, is awaiting a verdict from the European Union regarding import tariffs on electric vehicles from China. This comes in the wake of an inquiry by the European Commission into possible distortive subsidies favoring Chinese-manufactured electric cars. The result could influence stock values of leading car manufacturers and China's suggested tariff increase on larger gasoline vehicles.
Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is currently in the initial stages of adoption. Eric Hippo, the managing partner at Lara Hippo, predicts that there will be minor fluctuations or mini bubbles during this process. As an illustration of the increasing demand for AI, he points to NVIDIA's impressive sales last year. The company sold chips worth $50 billion to data centers. Even though large corporations are pouring billions into AI investments, a startup ecosystem is expected to evolve parallelly.
The semiconductor company from Taiwan is anticipated to be involved in an antitrust investigation in the United States. This investigation will include Microsoft, OpenAI, and NVIDIA. The main focus of this probe will be on the conduct of these companies instead of their mergers and acquisitions. The Department of Justice will spearhead the investigation into NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor. Meanwhile, the Federal Trade Commission will scrutinize OpenAI and Microsoft.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time, keep chasing those financial dreams. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.